Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest on Bob Marley Boulevard towards Bob Marley Circle in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. Turning off Bob Marley Boulevard onto Bob Marley Circle. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre, and Bob Marley Circle is named after Bob Marley. Robert Nesta Marley, OM, born the 6th of February 1945 and died the 11th of May 1981, was a Jamaican singer, musician and songwriter. Marley's contribution to music increased the visibility of Jamaican music worldwide and made him a global figure. There is so much to say about Bob Marley. To learn more, please check the video description. Bob Marley Circle ends. Turning off Bob Marley Circle onto Wailers Avenue. On the left is Rita Path Way. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.